Hello friends, today we start a chapter 7 coordinate geometry for class 10. Remember them. Please see here, please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share this video. Here today we start the division of a line segment. Division of a line segment. Given a line segment AB, AB is the line segment and any point P on AB. AB is the line segment, any point P on line segment AB such that P is not equal to A and P is not equal to B. Means P is lies between point line segment A and B. Point P is lies between A and B. Point PX1 is lies between A and B. P is not equal to A and P is not equal to B. Divides the line segment AB in the ratio AP ratio PB. AP ratio PB. Here are the ratio form. AP, first part is AP, another part is PB. Both parts are not equal, and point P is not equal to A, and point P is not equal to B. AP by PB from A is a ratio. That means AP ratio PB. Given a line segment AB, any point P on line segment AB such that P is not equal to A and P is not equal to B divides the line segment AB in the ratio AP divided by PB from point A. Okay. Next theory part. The coordinate of the points which divides the line segment AB in the ratio M1 ratio M2. That is the main topic. That is called a section formula. That is called a section formula. Okay. Remember this one. Here line segment AB, point A is x1 y1 and point B is x2 y2. Point A is x1 y1, point B is x2 y2 and point P lies between A and B. Point P lies between A and B. So that ratio AP, there are two parts, AP ratio PB. Line segment AB, point P is between A and B, line AB in the ratio AP ratio PB. AP ratio PB. AP that is called a ratio M1, MPB that is called a ratio M2. Therefore, the coordinates of the point means A and B are the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. Point P is lies between A and B. That ratio is AP ratio PB. That is ratio is M1 ratio M2. That is the section formula. Okay. Here the coordinate of the points P which divides the line segment AB. The coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment A and B, line segment AB, joining A x1 y1 point and B point is x2 y2 from A in the ratio M1 ratio M2. AP ratio PB that is called M1 ratio M2. Therefore, the coordinate of x, how to find the x? X is equal to M1 x2, M1 x2, M1 x2 plus M2 x1, coordinate of x. X means coordinate of x. M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 divided by M1 plus M2, ratio M1 plus M2. And coordinate of y is M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Coordinate of y is M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Therefore, the coordinate of P xy that is equal to P M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. And coordinate of y is M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. If the ratio are same, otherwise if the ratio P is the midpoint of the line segment AB, P is the midpoint of line segment AB, that means ratio AP divided by PB that is equal to 1 ratio 1. Here M1 ratio M2 that is equal to 1 ratio 1 because P is the midpoint of AB. Here P is the midpoint of AB, that AP ratio PB is 1 ratio 1. Therefore, the coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment joining AX1 y1 and BX2 y2, ratio M1 ratio M2 is 1 ratio 1. Put value M1 ratio M2 is 1 1 So here x1 into 1, x2 into 1 means x1 plus x2 divided by 1 plus 1, and 1 ratio m2 that is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2. Therefore x1 plus x2 divided by 2, similarly y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here you remember this one, P is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Therefore the coordinate of x and y are x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2 respectively. Okay, and next one, if the ratio is a fraction form, therefore to apply this formula m1 ratio of 2. Here the ratio is 2:5. Then m1 is 2 and m2 is 5. Then we apply this formula. If ratio is an integer number, if m1 ratio m2 is an integer number, then the ratio is k ratio 1. Denominator is 1. Here the both formula are similar, but here the ratio is an integer form, here ratio is a fraction form. The coordinate of the point means P. The coordinate of the point P which divides the line segment AB. A point is x1 y1, B point is x2 y2 in the ratio k ratio 1. The coordinate of the point P which divides the line segment AB joining A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 from A in the ratio k ratio 1. Put m1 is equal to k and m2 is equal to 1. So k into x2 means kx2 plus 1 into x1 means x1. Therefore point px1 is p kx2 plus x1 divided by m1 plus m2 means k plus 1. Similarly k into y2 plus k plus 1 into y1 divided by k plus 1 means k y2 plus m1 divided by k plus 1. That is the formula. Same to same formula. Here ratio is m1 ratio m2 and here ratio is k ratio 1. To here the ratio is fraction form, then apply this formula. If the ratio is an integer form, is 3 by 1, 2 by 1, that is a 2 ratio is 2, then apply this formula. Okay, thank you very much.